Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your pre-owned 2013 Toyota Matrix all-wheel drive. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback in a classic magnetic gray color. Under the hood you'll find a 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. This is a beautiful balance of function and longevity with its air conditioning, Bluetooth, and roof rails with crossbars to take you further on the road ahead. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Matrix is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up now to take a look. Plenty of space to hop into your Matrix. You're also greeted by a unique two-tone interior. You have that metallic trim as well as your power windows, your power locks. On the side you have your power adjustable side mirrors. Your side mirrors are also heated for those Alberta winters. Below you have your traction control. You also have a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep your Matrix nice and clean. And take a look at that cool center detailing on your soft fabric seats that offer the ultimate comfort. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Matrix, simply put your foot on the brake there and that key in the ignition. That engine's gonna start up and that dashboard's gonna light up with that cool ambient lighting. Taking a look at your kilometers, you have 14,887. You also do have your nice leather-wrapped steering wheel and your steering wheel mounted controls like your mode changers and your volume control. Over here you have your Star Safety System security, which keeps everything nice and protected. And you also do have your audio system here, which is on your LCD touchscreen. So you have your AM/FM radio as well as your CD player on top. And you also do have your Bluetooth audio as part of your Bluetooth hands-free calling so that you can bring your music wherever you go. You also do have your USB auxiliary input if you need to charge any media or to play your music as well. Below here you have your climate control, which is equipped with that air conditioning. Definitely going to come in handy on those cold summer months. You have your digital clock as well as your stylish shift knob with that leather to match your steering wheel. Plenty of storage compartments below here. You also do have those removable pieces for easy cleaning. There's that USB auxiliary input, your 12-volt DC charger. You also do have that leather trim on your parking brake. Inside your center console, there's a nice soft mat in there to keep everything nice and protected. That leather trim on top. And inside of your glove box, you have plenty of space to store everything that you need, and also that shelf up there if you want to carry the manuals inside of your Matrix. Plenty of practical and functional features built right into your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Matrix. Taking a closer look, you do have those roof rails on the top there with your crossbars. You have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. As you can see, you have your tonneau cover installed, which offers the perfect amount of privacy for all of your cargo. And you also do have your handy skid plate to keep everything nice and protected. Opening it up now to take a look. Plenty of space to store everything that you need in the back of your Matrix. You also do have that vinyl covering on your 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items, and it keeps everything nice and easy to maintain. But why don't we uninstall that tonneau cover and take a look at your under storage. Just taking a look at that storage underneath there. It's a nice hard cover with all your tools, your jack, and your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. And you can easily lock that storage up so that nothing is rolling around. You also do have this small compartment here to store any smaller items that you need to carry. Closing it up now, simply pull that handle down. You have that handy lock to keep everything nice and safe, as well as that chrome Matrix all-wheel drive badging as we take one more look at the back of your Toyota Matrix. Taking one final look at your pre-owned 2013 Toyota Matrix all-wheel drive. With that all-wheel drive system, as well as your heated mirrors and your all-weather floor mats, you'll definitely be prepared for everything that Alberta has to offer. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.